Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something powerful, something that can completely transform your life. No book summaries today, because let's be real, sometimes we just don't feel like it, right? But here's the thing. We often postpone important tasks, saying, "I'll do it tomorrow." Sound familiar? Well, today, we're breaking that cycle. We're talking about Brian Tracy's No Excuses, The Power of Self-Discipline, a book that teaches you how to eliminate excuses and take control of your life. And guess what? I'm giving you the key takeaways for free. So grab a notebook, sit tight, and let's get started. First, let's talk about success. What does success mean to you? Is it money, health, relationships, or peace of mind? Brian Tracy says success is living life on your own terms. But here's the catch. Most people know what they need to do to succeed, but they lack the discipline to do it. Excuses like, "I don't feel like it," or "I'll do it later," hold them back. The truth? Success comes from consistent effort and self-discipline. Tracy shares that 20% of people earn 80% of the results. Your goal? Be in that top 20%. And it starts with taking action today. Next up, let's talk about character. Every time you choose the hard path over the easy one, you build your character. Discipline requires patience, willpower, and the ability to resist temptation. When you consistently make the right choices, your self-esteem grows, and people start to respect you more. Remember, a strong character isn't built overnight. It's a daily practice. Now, let's talk about his goals. Did you know that only 3% of people write down their goals? And guess what? Those 3% earn more than the other 97% combined. Why? Because written goals give you clarity and direction. Tracy suggests a 7-step method to achieve your goals. 1. Decide exactly what you want. 2. Write it down. 3. Set a deadline. 4. Make a list of actions. 5. Identify obstacles. 6. Take action every day. 7. Do something daily that moves you closer to your goal. Simple, right? But it requires discipline. Here's the thing about discipline. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Whether it's in your career, health, or relationships, discipline is the key to long-term success. For example, in business, the top performers work harder and longer than everyone else. They don't wait for motivation. They create it through discipline. Let's talk about money. Most of us struggle with saving and investing because we're wired to spend. But here's a trick. Open a separate account for long-term savings. Start small, but be consistent. Brian Tracy emphasizes the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. If you invest $100 a month from age 21 to 65, you could retire with over $1 million. But it all starts with discipline. Time management is another crucial aspect of self-discipline. You can't save time, but you can spend it wisely. Prioritize tasks that give you the highest return. Use the ABCD method. A. Must-do tasks, critical. B. Should-do tasks, important but not urgent. C. Nice-to-do tasks, low priority. D. Delegate or eliminate tasks. By focusing on what truly matters, you'll achieve more in less time. Finally, let's talk about inner peace. Discipline isn't just about external success. It's about finding balance within. Negative emotions like anger and blame destroy inner peace. Tracy suggests practicing forgiveness and focusing on solutions instead of problems. When you stop blaming others and take responsibility for your life, you'll find true peace. Friends, self-discipline is the ultimate skill. It can transform every aspect of your life: success, health, relationships, and inner peace. Here's your challenge. 1. Write down 3 key takeaways from this video. Or 2. Work on them for the next 30 days. 3. Review your progress and repeat. Do this for 6 months, and I guarantee you'll see incredible changes. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs a boost. Remember, the journey to success starts with a single step. Take that step today. Until next time, stay disciplined and keep growing. Bye.